Let me show you how we can perform the factory reset on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. We have two main ways to do so. The first method is by opening settings. Then we can scroll all the way down and choose general management. Then over here go to reset. And now we can scroll down again in order to find factory data reset, so we can select this option. And after that, we'll have the summary of everything that will be removed from the phone, which is pretty much everything. So remember to make a backup. And if you scroll all the way down, we have the reset option, so we can confirm by pressing the reset button. Then we need to enter the screen lock password. And after that, confirm again that you want to remove everything from the phone and perform the factory data reset. So this is the first method. The second method is by using the recovery mode. However, in order to use it, in order to perform the factory data reset by using the recovery mode, we need to use the USB cable and we need to connect our phone to a computer. It has to be a computer. It cannot be like a charger or power adapter. Once we are connected to a computer, we can turn off our phone. So let's power off. And once the screen is off, once the phone is off actually, we want to press and hold the power button and volume up button at the same time. So press and hold both of these buttons, and we need to hold it like this until we see the recovery menu. There we go. Now we can release both buttons. We are now in Android recovery mode, and we need to scroll down by using volume button. So use volume up to go up and volume down to go down. We want to go to wipe data / factory reset, and we need to confirm our choice by using the power button. So confirm by pressing power button and then choose factory data reset over here, and once again confirm with power button. And this is the second method that allows you to perform factory reset of your phone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!